How to create a form in Hubspot with AI Content Writer.
In order to do that, you need to head over right here to your left sidebar, and then from in there, you can see some options like marketing. And from the marketing right there, you can see this forms. Click on this forms right here, and then from in there, you should be able to see in here the HubSpot forms that you can choose. So we have in here this. So what we can do in this case is we need to create in here a new form. In this, you can choose an embedded form, pop-up form, standalone page, or a slide right inbox. So for example, for this one, I'll head over and then choose in here a standalone page. Click on next right here. And then you can see in here the bank template, as well as payment, registrations, contact us, signups, support, download, event registration, and a lot more. So for example, for this case, let's head over and then choose in here a contact us form. Now, once you have clicked on that, it will be added right here some forms that you can choose from. Now, in here, you can also edit out some things. So let's go and start right here once we have selected a template. Now, in here, we can add in here email, first name, last name, and like. So you can also create new from there. So once you have head over and click on this create new, you can see some single line texts, text box, multi-line texts, and likes. For example, let's add in here a paragraph just above. And on this paragraph right here, you can head over and edit it out. So on this edit on your paragraph, you can see this advanced page wherein you can add source codes and the likes. You can also click on the more right here and ours edit out. Now for this case, you can use the AI content creator for this case, or you can also use another AI that is not integrated in HubSpot. Now under the automation right here, you can also create a workflow for this in order to send this to customers or the people on your email list.
So that's how you create a form in Hubspot free AI Content Writer. Hope we helped.